Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Paul Wilson, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with my financial function sheet, which allows you to count your cash and it allows you to calculate taxes for state taxes and sales taxes and that sort of thing. Um, so basically, I'm going to start out with like counting some coins, but let's see here. Say you have two quarters, three dimes, a nickel, and seven pennies. Well, that means you have 92 cents. And it basically sums this up for you. It's a real simple calculator, simple spreadsheet. And then say you have some dollar bills, and say you have $2 in dollar bills. You have no fives. Say you have 10, and you say you have like two 20s. Well, that means I have $52 in cash, but if you add the change in, it tells you that you have $52.92 total, which is a really nifty thing to have. Now, up here, I'm going to reset it, and I'm going to say that I want to calculate some taxes. So, say that you're in a store and you want to pay 5.99, but the state tax rate is 6%. So put it in there like that. Then what happens is it breaks it out. You're going to pay 6 cents on every dollar, which is going to come to about 36 cents here. And your cost with the tax is going to be a total of 6.35. Um, you could copy and paste this data into like, any other application that you want to. It's very handy for when you're balancing your checkbook and sort of things like that. Now let's take the same case scenario and say that I've been billed $6.35, but I know the state tax rate, but I don't know how much in change I paid in taxes. Well, it comes back and calculates that you paid 36 cents in taxes based upon that 6% sales tax figure, and it gives you the cost without tax. And this is basically the same thing as up here. You could copy and paste this data into any application that you want to. And then down here, what I have is dates. I have yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And you could copy these dates into the clipboard for pasting into any application that you want to paste it into. Now, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to go to my website and use the contact form. Um, and feel free to like this video, subscribe, and check back for updates. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.